Do you know that moment when you go to somebody's Instagram profile to send a DM and suddenly a few questions pop up or a few conversation starters? It makes it easier for you to ask the question or to determine which question you are going to ask to get the conversation started. So you've seen that and you want to enable that for your own Instagram account as well? Well, in this video, I will share exactly how to do that. First things first, your Instagram profile needs to be a business or a creator one, and I will show you how I did this for my creator account. Next, setting up the questions. The next thing you'll need to do is go to Settings, Creator, Frequently Asked Questions, and enable the Show Questions button. Then, under Questions, start adding up to 4 questions or conversation starters that people will be able to click on to start a conversation with you. Now, how do you choose which are the conversation starters or questions you should add to your DM? Should you add all 4 of them? Should you add 1? Should you even add them at all? Let's see. First things first, think of your niche. How will people in your niche, your target audience, get use of these questions or conversation starters on Instagram? For example, I'm a social media manager. I always get questions about my services, what services I provide, what are the pricing for them, and that's why I created these 4 questions or conversation starters in my DMs, because people used to write really long messages without me actually figuring out what they need from me. So this way they just say, I need Instagram shopping service, I need an Instagram marketing, and after that they will start telling me about their business and everything else. So it makes it very easy for me to understand what they need from the start and very easy for them to tell me as well. If you're usually the same and get a lot of questions about new product launches, maybe products that you have, or if you still have them in stock or new offers you are making, this will help you answer people in advance or help them ask the questions faster in your DMs. So this is a way that you can enable frequently asked questions. How will somebody use those questions that pop up? When they will message you on Instagram, the questions will just pop up at the top of the screen, at the top of the message. And they'll be able to just click on one and send it to you directly. You can always remove, modify, or disable frequently asked questions in your DMs just by going back to Settings and Creator. So there you go. This is how you can enable and use frequently asked questions or conversation starters on Instagram as a business or creator. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess and on TikTok as well for more tips on growing online with social media. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next one.